The Blackhawk Dark Angel Butterfly Knife. An angel to some, but a demon to the bottles. It did come sharp, but I smoothed out the edge a little bit just to make it cut even better. You see, YouTube, that's how wide a bottle is, and you can see the amount of edge length we have to cut that with. So you got to be fairly precise with a blade of this length to cleanly cut a bottle. So earlier this morning I had a fun cutting session with this. Let me roll in the highlight reel of that, and then we'll come back and I'll give you an overview of this unique knife. Adios! There you go. It's difficult to do that with this because it's definitely not as long as most of the knives that I use, and also the grind, right? Not to mention, it's so cold that this is like it's like a hockey rink. Off with its head. D2 tool steel. Blade length is 4 1/4 inches. Stainless steel skeletonized handles. Spring-loaded latch. Has a pocket clip. This was about $108. It's got a black coated blade, spear point, bayonet style. Here are some of the features of the knife that I mentioned and the specifications. Blackhawk over the years has been known to sell products that appeal to military, law enforcement, martial artists, and just people interested in self-defense. I am certainly glad I picked this up. Coolness factor 10 out of 10, especially if you enjoy the Filipino martial arts, which I do. I hope you enjoyed seeing this blade. Consider subscribing if you haven't already done so.